Whether you're birdwatching, hiking, stargazing, or attending live events, a reliable pair of binoculars can elevate your experience by bringing distant scenes into sharp focus. With a wide range of options available, choosing the right model depends on your needs for clarity, magnification, durability, and portability. Here's a look at the best 5 binoculars that offer top performance across various outdoor and recreational activities. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Suncore TL12X42 Binocular. Engineered for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers, these professional-grade binoculars offer a perfect balance between power, clarity, and portability. Whether you're exploring mountain trails, observing wildlife in their natural habitat, or attending large-scale events, they provide a crisp, high-definition viewing experience that brings distant subjects into sharp, vivid detail. With 12x magnification and a 42mm objective lens, they deliver a wide 114 meters × 1000 meters field of view, enabling users to see signage, faces, or wildlife clearly, even from over 5,000 feet away. At the core of their optical performance is a large 16.5mm BAK4 prism, combined with fully multi-coated lenses and eyepieces. This optical system maximizes light transmission, reduces distortion, and ensures a bright, clear image even in low-light conditions such as twilight or overcast days. Whether you're bird-watching at dawn or scouting landscapes at dusk, the HD vision provided remains crisp and color-accurate. Designed with the adventurer in mind, these binoculars are compact, lightweight, and comfortable to use. Weighing only 680 grams, they are easy to carry during long hikes, climbs, or camping trips. The sturdy build features a durable, odorless rubber armor that provides shock resistance and a secure, non-slip grip. This not only enhances handling in rough terrain, but also protects the device from bumps, drops, and changing weather conditions. Operation is intuitive and fast, even for beginners. A smooth center-focus knob and an adjustable right-eye lens make focusing effortless. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for both hands, allowing one-hand adjustments without losing your subject. This attention to comfort and usability is especially valuable when observing fast-moving wildlife or scanning wide areas during outdoor exploration. Pros: HD optics, lightweight design, waterproof build, low light clarity. Cons: fixed zoom, small grip area. Number 4. Vector Optics SCBO16 Binocular. Built for serious outdoor adventurers, these binoculars combine optical precision, rugged durability, and reliable weather resistance to deliver exceptional performance in challenging environments. Whether you're tracking birds through dense forests, spotting game across wide fields, or scanning distant terrain during hikes, they provide a powerful, dependable viewing experience that meets the demands of hunters, birdwatchers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The standout feature of these binoculars is the large 50mm objective lens, which significantly boosts light intake. This ensures brighter images even in low-light conditions such as early dawn, overcast afternoons, or dusk. Available in multiple magnification options, 7x50, 10x50, and 12x50, they offer versatility for different field needs, from steady, wide-angle observation to detailed long-distance viewing. Regardless of the magnification level, the generous lens diameter helps maintain clarity and brightness across various lighting conditions. Optical performance is further enhanced by the use of BAK4 prisms, known for their superior image quality and minimal light loss. These prisms, combined with fully multi-coated lenses, deliver outstanding light transmittance, resulting in high-definition visuals with excellent color accuracy and contrast. Every leaf, feather, or landscape feature appears in crisp detail, offering a more immersive and accurate viewing experience. Durability is a major advantage here. Constructed with a tough Magalu alloy housing, the binoculars are built to resist impact and shock, making them ideal for rugged field use. The solid feel and professional-grade materials ensure they can withstand rough handling, drops, and the unpredictable demands of outdoor exploration. Pros: bright optics, rugged build, waterproof design, color clarity. Cons: bulky size, fixed magnification. Number 3. Borwolf 8x40 Binocular. Engineered for clarity, comfort, and convenience, these 8x40 binoculars are a reliable choice for users who want a solid optical tool for hunting, birdwatching, and general outdoor exploration. Combining a balanced 8x magnification with a generous 40mm objective lens and high transmission optics, they deliver crisp, well-lit images across mid-range distances while maintaining excellent field stability and minimal handshake. The result is a visual experience that feels natural and immersive without sacrificing detail or brightness. The standout 26mm eyepieces are designed for comfort, offering a larger viewing area that enhances peripheral visibility and reduces eye strain during prolonged use. This is especially useful when tracking moving subjects like birds or wildlife, as the wide field of view, 261 feet at 1,000 yards, allows you to easily follow motion without constant refocusing. The central focusing system is smooth and precise, allowing users to quickly lock onto targets with ease, making it ideal for beginners and experienced users alike. Optical quality is further supported by the inclusion of BAK4 prisms and fully multi-coated lenses, ensuring improved light transmission and better image sharpness. Whether you're glassing open fields at sunrise or scanning the tree line at dusk, these lenses maximize brightness and maintain natural color fidelity, providing a clean, high-contrast visual output. The image quality is further complemented by a sturdy build that maintains alignment and optical accuracy over time. In terms of construction, the binoculars feature an IPX4 water resistance rating, meaning they can withstand splashes or light rain, adequate for casual outdoor use, though not suited for submersion or heavy downpours. The chassis is designed to be impact-resistant and ergonomic, with a textured grip that provides reliable handling even in damp or cold conditions. At this performance tier, the binoculars offer excellent durability without unnecessary bulk, making them easy to pack and carry during extended field sessions. Pros: wide eyepiece, stable view, sharp optics, comfortable grip. Cons: light rain only, limited zoom. Number 2. Svbony SV202 Binocular. For users who demand clarity, durability, and long-range precision, these binoculars deliver an exceptional viewing experience that rivals higher-priced models. Engineered with extra-low dispersion glass, they significantly reduce chromatic aberration, the common color fringing seen in standard optics, resulting in sharper, cleaner images that are rich in contrast and detail. Whether you're watching birds in flight, scanning landscapes, or stargazing under open skies, the optical clarity remains consistent across a wide field of view. These binoculars are built with phase-corrected coatings and high refractive index BAK4 prisms, which improve resolution and ensure vibrant color fidelity. The fully multi-coated lenses minimize light scattering and internal reflections, enhancing image brightness and edge-to-edge sharpness. This is particularly valuable in low-light conditions such as dawn, dusk, or overcast weather, where typical binoculars may falter. Whether you're attending a concert, hiking through dense terrain, or camping under the stars, you can count on vivid visuals and reliable performance. Constructed from a premium magnesium alloy, the housing is both lightweight and incredibly tough. This frame balances portability with resilience, providing a solid, impact-resistant body that stands up to rigorous outdoor use. The ergonomic design includes knurled focus wheels and twist-up rubber eye cups, allowing easy, natural adjustments, even when wearing gloves. These thoughtful features make long-term use comfortable, even during extended observation sessions or while switching between users. The IPX7 waterproof rating and nitrogen-purged internal system protect the binoculars from water ingress and fogging, making them a trustworthy companion in challenging weather conditions. Whether it's misty mornings or sudden downpours, the lenses stay clear, ensuring your field vision is never compromised by the elements. From mountaintop to marshland, their sealed construction makes them an excellent tool for wildlife watchers and explorers who venture into unpredictable environments. Pros: ED glass clarity, rugged build, waterproof design, HD color fidelity. Cons: moderate zoom. Number 1, and the winner is Svbony SA205 Binocular. Designed for those who seek crisp, undistorted visuals across the entire field of view, these professional-grade binoculars offer a compelling combination of advanced optics, ergonomic features, and durable design. Featuring extra-low dispersion glass and the objective lenses, they significantly reduce chromatic aberration, commonly seen as color fringing around high-contrast subjects, resulting in true-to-life color reproduction and sharper image quality. The high-transparency lenses ensure that every detail stands out, whether you're tracking birds, stargazing, or scanning a panoramic landscape. The standout flat-field optical design further enhances viewing clarity by correcting edge distortion, field curvature, and visual blurring. This results in a uniform sharpness across the entire image, eliminating the soft edges often found in conventional binoculars. For birdwatchers and wildlife observers, this means effortless tracking from center to edge, without the need to refocus constantly. The experience is both immersive and less fatiguing, especially during prolonged sessions in the field. These binoculars feature a wide 7.7 degrees field of view and large eyepieces for a more comfortable, panoramic viewing experience. The adjustable right eye diopter allows for quick fine-tuning to accommodate individual vision differences, while twist-up eye cups help eliminate stray light and provide a clear, glare-free image, especially helpful for users who wear glasses. The construction is solid and reliable, built to withstand rugged outdoor use and adverse weather conditions. IPX7 waterproofing ensures the internal components stay protected in heavy rain or even brief submersion, while the nitrogen-filled barrel prevents fogging from sudden temperature changes. Whether you're exploring the mountains at sunrise or setting up for a starry night of observation, your view remains crystal clear and free from moisture intrusion. Pros: ED lens quality, flat field optics, wide FOV, phone adapter. Cons: moderate zoom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.